Happy New Year. Oh, bitch. Happy New Year's, everyone. New year, new me. You know how it goes. I'm just playing, just lighter hair. That's all it is. You want to see me take off my makeup and start my skincare routine for the PM time? Then keep on watching. Alright, everyone. Happy New Year's again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing how to take off my face and do my skincare routine right after. Most people just put on makeup wipes and call it a day. I know I keep playing with my hair, I need to stop. I just finally got to wash, It's 2019, New Year, time to wash it again. It's that time of year again. No, I'm just playing, I wash it all the time. But today's just looking real good. Okay, let me stop filming myself. So y'all see this beautiful makeup I have on just for one more minute. I'm going to be taking this off today with my Tatcha Pure Cleansing Oil, which is one of my favorites. This one is good for all skin types. It's going to take off all the impurities. It's going to take off waterproof makeup and just leaving my skin silky and smooth. And which is this product right here from Tatcha, which is one of my favorites. This retails for $48, which is not bad. But this, honestly, it melts everything off. Whatever your concerns may be with your makeup. And I like to first step before this step, like everyone else. A lot of people just use their cleanser just to like remove everything. For me, I like to do the makeup wipe first. That way the cleanser doesn't have to work 2 times as hard. And this makes it much easier just to go into my pores and just pull everything out. Just to avoid breakouts and all that kind of skincare problems that people may have with their skin and their pores. So I'm going to go right ahead first with my makeup wipe. Today I'm going to be using the Sephora Collection Water Cleansing Wipes. I got the small one for $3. I mean, not a bad deal. You get 10 wipes. Let me start removing my makeup. I will be right back. I got half of the face done. Now for the other half. Alright, I got everything off. I think I'm good. I'm going to put my hair up for this next step. I am going to use, like I said earlier, my Tatcha. Oh, girl, I was about to say Tatcha Harvard. Let me stop playing. My Tatcha cleanser. Why I do my wipes first is so that way I make sure my cleanser does not have to work twice as hard. With this, I just like to do 2 pumps, and then I like to massage the oil into my face. Really make sure it gets everything out that the wipe couldn't get, because the wipe gets the top layer off. This goes deeper into my pores. I'm gonna get a little bit of water in my hands. Okay, now it's gonna start. I got some water in my hands. Now it's really melting into my face and pores. And again, this is great for all skin types, not just for oily or dry. It's good for oily, dry, combination, normal. Now I'm going to go in the sink and rinse all this off. I'm going to rinse everything off, and then we're going to go in with my rest of my skincare routine. Okay, y'all, so I took everything off. All the makeup. My skin is feeling fresh and clean and smooth from the Tatcha cleanser. Now I am going to go into a new product. Hold on. Oh, girl. The fans are out. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, today so I'm excited because I'm trying the new Kate Somerville Liquid Exfoliate. This one right here, it is a resurfacing treatment. And let me read this right from my iPad just to make sure, because my girlfriend, who works for the brand, gave me this product today, which I'm excited because it's perfect for my video. What it is, a 10% AHA and fruit enzyme powered nightly leave-on exfoliating solution that gently slugs away dullness for smoother, softer, more glowing skin. And God knows I love a glowing skin. And great for normal, dry, combination of oily skin. So great for all skin types, skin concern, dullness, and uneven texture and pore. So it dissolves dead skin cells built up that skin interferes with optional absorbent of other products in your skincare routine. So this is gonna be my next step now after I cleanse. She told me to go in after my cleanser and then I can go with the rest of my routine, which I'm excited for. This is my first time trying it. So let's do, she said I can do a couple pumps. And I am going to be using a cotton round, which if I could find one, hold on. Okay, so I got my cotton round from Shiseido. I'm going to do like a couple of pumps on here. And I'm going to smooth this into my skin. Let me see what I think about right away. Feels nice and light, which she did say I might feel a little bit of a tingle, which is normal, and I don't mind it because that's how I know products are working. Okay, I'm starting to feel the tingle. So if you can't handle tingles, and for other people that are like saying, oh, my skin is burning. No, bitch, you're fine. You're just very sensitive. Me, my skin is thick enough to handle this. So it's a little tingle, very small, gentle tingle, which I am perfectly loving, and I'm feeling great right now because I know products are working in. So I got that in. So that's my first step. Ooh, feels really good. Okay. Alright, I'm excited to add this to my routine now that I got this product. Thank you. Also, you guys, this does retail for $58, which is a great price point, and you do get 4 ounces of this product. So good price point. Try it out. I'm definitely going to be trying this out. And I'll update you guys later on of how it's working for me. Hold on, I need some water. I'm talking too much. I'm trying this new thing, no alcohol, for at least the next couple of weeks, but that might just last for the next 3 more hours. Fuck this revolution. I'm just playing. Don't drink, don't do it. Now for my next step, I am going to go with my serum. I'm going to go with the Numura Revitalixer Recovering Serum. This product right here does retail for $89. That's what it says on Sephora.com. Good for all skin types. It's what it is a face and eye serum, which I definitely love, a serum that I can use around my eyes. That addresses stress, induced aging, and instantly revives for a quick pick-me-up. Solution for dullness and uneven skin texture, fine lines and wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. Alright, perfect. Let's try some on. It's a new product. I haven't opened it. First time trying this. I'm going to do a couple pumps. It looks like little beads in there. And this is how the product comes out. I'm just going to massage this. And it has this nice pearl looking effect. I'm going to press it into the skin. Oh, it feels so hydrating. And if you know, I have very dry skin. So this feels amazing. And it smells really good too. I'm not exactly sure what I'm smelling, but it smells great. And of course my neck. Can't forget the neck. Gotta look young. No point of looking young here and then looking like 55 here. No, thank you. Ooh, that feels really smooth. I'm loving this. Alright, so my next step I'm gonna go in is my eye cream, which I'm gonna use right here. Okay, so I got my eye cream right here. I have a Deluxe Kate Somerville Retinol Firming Eye Cream. This right here retails, okay, so I have the deluxe size, but the actual size retails for $85. It's great for all skin types. What it is, an eye cream that visibly brightens, firms, and hydrates the eye area, and for more young, youthful appearance without sensitivity, which is perfect. So it has retinol, so it's definitely going to firm around the eye area. Just a little pea size should be enough. So this eye deluxe should last me for a while. I'm going to massage it with my ring finger area, which is the most delicate finger. Very gentle, so I'm just going to easily just massage it outwards. Right away I feel the hydration. So if you have any problems with firms and fine lines, and you want to have more youthful appearance, I definitely recommend this eye cream because I have heard great things about this, and it's going to be my new routine in my skincare night routine. Now I'm going to go in with, so tonight I have the new cream from Fresh. This one is the Lotus Youth Preservative Dream Face Cream for night recovery. This product right here is new. I haven't even opened it yet. I haven't even tried it yet. This does retail for $48, which I think is a great price point. What it says online is a lightweight whip antioxidant night cream that helps detoxify while minimizing signs of aging, so your skin recovers while you sleep. Great for normal, dry combination, and oily skin. I have not smelled this or anything. First time opening it. It smells real nice. I'm just gonna grab a little. Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, it feels kind of lightweight, still a little thick. I'm gonna grab a good size. I'm gonna massage it around my hands, and I'm gonna gently just massage this into my skin. Feels really hydrating. It smells amazing. Now they do have their day cream. This is now their night cream. And I did hear you can use this day and night, which is not a problem. I'm gonna stick it to my night routine only. So now I'm ready to have my cream on. This could be a last step for everyone, just to keep it kind of simple. Me, I'm very dry skin, so I am gonna go with my More Pacific oil just to continue my routine. Again, I have very dry skin. This product will keep me hydrating, but with oils, I wake up super hydrated. Since I moved to LA, again, I'm very dry. Before back home, it would just be a cream, I would be fine. But now that I'm in a dry area in Los Angeles, up in Hollywood, I do need an oil. So not just to end the routine there, just to keep me still hydrating with my oils. Like I said, I have dry skin. I'm going to go with my More Pacific Botanical Radiance Oil. I'm going to do a little pump, a little drop. Perfect. Now this, let me see what it says online. This does retail for $105, a bit pricey, but it's a More Pacific. It's a very luxury brand. Great for normal to combination of dry skin. A lightweight oil that delivers intense on radiance and antioxidant protection. Great for dryness, dullness, uneven skin tone. Again, it's for $105. I'm going to massage. Oh, that feels really great. I'm going to massage this. Again, all these products I'm using tonight is for the first time, except the Tatcha Cleanser. So I'm really excited to see how my skin feels in the morning. And then right now, it feels amazing. This oil is literally just gonna lock all this moisture I just put onto my skin, making me wake up nice and smooth. And that is it for my routine. If you guys would like to see more videos like this or more about skincare, have any other concerns about your skin that you would like for me to talk about and make a future video about, please do comment below and let me know. This is it for my skin routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm going to try to post more videos consistently. It's a new year again. New year, new me, whatever. I'm going to try to continue making more videos. Please subscribe and like. And I'm going to leave my Instagram down below so you guys can click on that. Thank you for watching, you guys. Enjoy and let me know what your skincare routine is at night down below. If you're oily, dry combination, I would love to hear your comments and your concerns. And if you have any questions about skincare, please contact me. You can DM me on Instagram and I will answer any of your questions. Again, I do work in skincare at Sephora here in Hollywood. So yeah, if anything, let me know. Love you guys. Night.